Followers, I greet you. I'm humbled and delighted to have you in my page. Thank you for subscribing and for following. As we finish this year 2023, I want to share something about the crested crane. The crested crane continues to be Uganda's national bird because of its beauty and humble ways. It appears on all instruments of all the state and the national coat of arms. The grey-crowned crane is a tall bird that stands at an average of 3 feet tall. That is close to 1 meter in height. The crested crane can live for 22 years, and the chicks of the crested crane can start running at a moment they hatch. The grey-crowned crane has breeding display that involves an elaborate dance with various jumping and balls. This is not uncommon for birds. However, the crested crane is known to dance year-round. They can be seen dancing at any time of the year, including non-breeding periods. Young birds are also often seen joining in the dancing, meaning these birds love to dance. They are endangered birds. The crested crane is a resilient animal and can still be found in abundance in some areas. However, its habitat is slowly being depleted. There is currently an issue with the overusage of the water in the marshes and grassland where typical resides. This means that the areas are being dried up, water fields of crops. This has caused the crested crane population decline. Around 65,000 and animals has been designated to endangered. Share about some facts about crane bird, the national bird of Uganda. The crane bird is the national bird of the African nation of Uganda. It appears on their flag and their coat of arms and can be found abundantly near the country. Many lakes and rivers that create fertile marshes rich with wildlife. Uganda is abundant with a kind of wet, flat marsh and grassland. These birds love, and the bird has become a symbol closely tied to the nation of Uganda. African crested crane typically lay between 2 and 4 eggs in a clutch, and the eggs are ready to hatch in about 30 days. They are then ready to breed when they reach 3 years of age, which, given their long lifespan, is promising for researchers looking into repairing the bird's ecosystem and getting their population back to normal. They have plenty of years to find mate and get the species out of endangered category. Only some of the crested cranes can migrate. Although the grey-crowned cranes live throughout almost all Africa, some of them live far north in the arid Sahara Desert. These birds will often migrate south for portions of the year to escape the hottest and the driest month the desert has. They join their more sedentary cousins in Uganda and Kenya who live near river and lakes. The marshes and flat grass offer the birds every day. They love in the habitat, high trees to build safe nets away from the reach of predators, but all wet enough to have reliable source of water. The birds already live in these areas tend to not to migrate and simply stay in one place throughout the year. The crested crane is omnivorous bird. The crane eats a mix of leaves and seeds from a variety of plants as well as insects, worms and frogs. They have always been seen eating small fish, snakes and various aquatic eggs. Crane practice what is called monogamy, meaning that once they find a partner, they will remain with the same breeding partner for life. They form a pair bond while they are young and will remain with the bird they bond for the rest of their lives, breeding together each and raising their young together. The advantage of this adoption is not entirely understood, but it is cute. Sometimes you may wonder why does a crested crane stand on one leg? Crested cranes always stand on one leg when resting and folding their legs up so to retain their bodies warm. They raise their leg up, keep their body warm because they have smaller bodies within high temperature, which keeps their bodies warm, and this helps them not to lose temperature so easily. Followers, I am humbled and delighted to have you in my page. Thank you for subscribing and for following.